Hi guys, how are you all? Today we are discussing how to increase speed in quant for bank exams. First of all, in bank exams, accuracy and speed is very important. Especially speed is very important. Why? Because in examination they will ask maximum number of questions in few minutes. How can we solve that much of questions in few minutes? We can't, right? Today I will tell you how to increase speed in bank exams. First of all, try to learn 1 to 20 tables. If you are not able to learn tables in one day, learn one table for one day. Complete it in 20 days. Don't feel bad, guys. I am also learn the same. It's very useful to do the calculations in simple way. Learn like if you get the value in a seconds, like 16 into 7 is equal to 112, right? Get the values like that. And don't skip tables. It's very useful for examination. In examination we can't waste 1 second, so you try to learn tables. And tip 2, try to learn cube roots and square roots. For cube roots, try to learn 1 to 20 cube roots, and square roots 1 to 50 square roots. And try to learn tricks for square roots, and because square roots gets largest values, like they will ask 65 square or 89 square, 99 square. So try to learn tricks for square roots. I will give a small example. The number 65 square. How can we solve this number? We learn only 1 to 50 square roots. Then how can we solve 65 square? I will tell you. In step 1, take 5 square, write 25 at the end to the number obtained. Understand? And step 2, take your tens place value 6, right? So multiply with following number with 7. We get 42, right? In 42, put it in left hand side of the value. So this method is only applicable for end with 5 square. Understand, guys? And I will give another example. 73 square. How can you solve this type of value? I will tell you. We take 3 square at end of the number, and in step 2, multiply all the three values, like 7 into 3 into 2, we get 42, right? And step 3, in tens place value we'll take itself value and multiply with itself, like you get 49, right? You can add 49 and 4, we get 53, and we put it in obtained number. And in examination you don't calculate like 73 into 73 is equal to 912, and 115 is equal to 5329. Don't do like this, guys. It's a waste of time. So it's a time taken. You don't do this method if you are not able to get the value in exact way, and that's time you can do this type of method. And step 3, try to learn fraction to percentages. We can get the values like 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%, and 1 by 8 equal to 12.5%, and 1 by 7 equal to 14.28%. You get this type of values, right? If you do a mock test, in mock test you can get these values. Guys, don't skip fraction to percentage values. Why? Because in lots of sections, not sections, in topics, we can get the fraction to percentage values, like DI and simplifications, quadratic equations. Sometimes they will ask in quadratic equations also. So you must try to learn fraction to percentage values. So how can we solve these type of questions, like 28.56% value? Did you guys know what is the value of 28.56%? If you don't know this, I will tell you how can you solve this type of value. So guys, carefully observe this value. It's a multiple of 1 by 7 value. Look it carefully. 14.28 into 2 is equal to 28.56%. So you take 2 into 1 by 7, so you can get 2 by 7. So the value of 28.56% is equal to 2 by 7. And again I will give another example. Did you guys know this value? I will tell you two methods for this question. So the first method, carefully observe guys. It's a, you know the value of 1 by 3, 33.33%, right? It's a multiple of 4. So you can multiple 33.33 into 4 is equal to 133.33%. If you are, you can get it out. Just once you can multiply the value. And I will give another method. So another method, so carefully observe the value. 100 plus 33.33% is equal to 133.33%, right? So you know the value of 100%. The value of 100% is equal to 1 plus 33.33% is equal to 1 by 3, right? So now you can get the value 4 by 3, right? Both are the same values, right? So if you are not able to get the values, you can try to solve the questions in those methods. And tip 4, multiplication speed. Learn Vedic maths for multiplication speed. You have lots of videos in YouTube. Try to learn multiplication speed. How can we solve multiplications in simple way? I will give a small example. And 55 into 99, how can we solve this question? I will tell you. 55 into 100 minus 1, we can take 99 is equal to 100 minus 1. So 55 into 100 equal to 5500, right? So minus 55. If you remove this 55 in 5500, we can get 5445, right? I will give one question. The question of the day. Guess how many members get this answer. What is the smallest perfect number? I will repeat again. What is the smallest perfect number? I will give a hint for you guys. In 1 to 100, we can get only 2 perfect numbers. If you know this answer, please comment below. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel guys.